The Amazon rainforest, herbital lawns, is suffocating, spanning 9 nations. This biodiversity hotspot absorbs billions of tons of carbon dioxide annually, cooling the planet. Yet it faces an existential threat, driven by cattle ranching, industrial soy farming, and illegal logging. Deforestation is pushing the biome to a tipping point. Once reached, the lush forest could transition into a dry savanna, releasing massive carbon stores and destabilizing the global climate. Indigenous communities, the forest's primary stewards, are being displaced as vital habitats vanish. Protecting the Amazon is not just an ecological preference, it is a global necessity. While immediate conservation and systematic change, we lose our greatest defense against climate collapse.